Hi, Rob McFadden here. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the 5 most common reasons that I've heard why people will have times in their life in college where they use too much alcohol. First is not having an appreciation for the potency of alcohol, even if they're told, even if they see how it affects some other people, until they actually use it, they don't really know how it's going to affect them, how insidious it can be, how it undermines the ability to make decisions in ongoing and escalating fashion over the course of an evening. So I think that's the most common issue with problematic alcohol use. Number two is a person can be unaware of their own addictive tendencies, whether that's because a family history hasn't been disclosed to them, a family history hasn't been explained to them, addictive behavior hasn't been explained to them. They don't have a sense of what happens with them and their drive as they pursue alcohol more intensely. Third is peer pressure. Pretty simple. People will be drinking at social events. People will be encouraging each other in a way to make themselves feel good about their own use, and without, again, an awareness of this pattern, this dynamic of behavior, person can very easily get caught up in it. Fourth is a distraction from something specific. I see this a lot in combination with the other things. Meaning, okay, well, a person can have a sense that alcohol is dangerous, or a sense that they need to be aware of one or two of their new friends who will encourage alcohol use. Sure, but in a specific situation where they want to be distracted from something, where they're having a bad feeling about something, where they're experiencing performance anxiety and anticipatory anxiety, that their willingness or ability to keep their head straight about their alcohol use gets shaken up. And of course, going back to number one, the first drink can encourage the subsequent drinks in a situation like that. And then fifth is a kind of other category where something more than just peer pressure is happening, where someone is specifically targeting a person to increase their alcohol use, where a person has an awareness of the potency of alcohol, but maybe only beer, and they don't really recognize the difference between beer and wine and spirits. So a kind of catch-all category, which I find usually relates to the first four, but maybe in some subtle different ways, or even some subtly more toxic ways. Okay, I hope that's interesting, and if you are reflecting on experiences from your development and have an event like that, this could maybe help you understand yourself, be kind to yourself, and move on and heal from it. Okay, thanks for listening.